Do you like toys? What toys do you play with at home? Today, let's learn 5 toy words. Marble, card, action figure, robot, and doll. What is this? It is a marble. A marble is a small, round ball made of glass. Children play games with marbles. Example: 1. I have 5 marbles. 2. The marble is blue. What is this? It is a card. A card is a small piece of paper or cardboard used for playing games. Example: 1. I have a card. 2. Let's play cards. What is this? It is an action figure. An action figure is a toy that looks like a hero, soldier, or character from a movie. Example: 1. My action figure is strong. 2. I play with my action figure every day. What is this? It is a robot. A robot is a toy machine that can move or make sounds. Example: 1. My robot can walk. 2. The robot is silver. What is this? It is a doll. A doll is a toy that looks like a person, usually a girl or a baby. Example: 1. She has a doll. 2. The doll has long hair. Let's say the words again. 1. Marble. 2. Card. 3. Action figure. 4. Robot. 5. Doll. Excellent work! Now you know 5 toy words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more English with us.